Go black man. Go black man. What did he do? Huh?
He goes around taking people's food.
Sounds like you, Corey. Sounds like Corey Miller. He did. Oh my God, you did steal a burger.
I did take a burger.
My God. My God, that was poetic justice. Corey just said, hey, why are all the windows boarded up here? And I said, it's just another day, another peaceful protest in Minneapolis.
And I said, hey.
We were just commenting on Soul Brothers that steal food. And then Corey Miller did this. He stole a burger. We're opening up a controversial topic here. He's doing profiling. He's doing student profiling, racial profiling.
No,
he saw a couple people going to Nim Num.
No,
Num
Nico.
Nico Num Num. And he's like, they're not students. I'm like, they're students. He's like, no, they're not students.
He said ask how they like the school,
I
and
said,
they didn't look like they came from the school.
How do you know what they look like if they didn't go to school? She looks like she goes to school here.
She looks like she goes to school here.
Ask her.
Ask her.
Here, ask her.
No, ask her.
Ask her.
Oh, that's ask her.
No, ask her.
Ask her.
Do it, ask her.
She's on the phone.
Dude, change it.
She's on the phone. Hi.
What's up?
How you like Minnesota?
Dude, they're staring at you, you dumbass.
She wasn't staring at me.
Dude, are you dumb? Look at you're staring at yourself, dumbass.
What's up? Goodness gracious.
Good God.
And that answers your question.
Camera. She answered your question. And
she answered the question because I thought it was this way and this that way.
Oh my God, Corey.
Why do you keep putting me in these positions where it's one way or another?
Well, how do you not know how to use a camera? Ask these two.
These look like no camera.
Here, ask them.
All right, here we go.
Ask them.
How we like Minnesota? Huh? How you like Minnesota? All right, cool.
Sometimes I think Corey's mildly autistic.
Yeah.
He's like Elon Musk.
Two, bitch.
He's like Elon Musk over here.
I'm counting two, bitch.
Minus the ketamine and Vicodin addiction. We're at the University of Minnesota campus, and Corey Miller doesn't know how to use a camera.
I do too.
Smile, say hi. Dude, this is badass. It's the Weizmann Museum.
This thing's been here forever. This is my home.
Lo and behold, where? Arby's?
No, Moo Tea.
Moo Tea.
Moo Tea.
How do you know about Moo Tea?
Because I can't do deliveries there all the time.
Should be a Walgreens, I think. I remember back here. Holy cow, did they tear this down too?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. They did this to the University of Minnesota. We need a Coke Zero. So you can take the train. Oh, it's Stub and Herbs, man. We used to love Stub and Herbs. My friend Corey here is looking for a plug.
Yeah, so I get to my girlfriend.
We can't find any plugs on the University of Minnesota, and we're trying super hard.
Hey.
There's some kids on the bridge here that are getting out and taking pictures. I can't imagine why. I mean, who would get out in the middle of a... Oh yeah, we would.
Back to D.
Just imagine if we came here instead of going to St. Cloud.
Oh my gosh, we would have been dead in the water, laying face down.
Yeah.
Go black man, go black man.
No change, no change.
And thus, the U.S. Bank Stadium, home of the Vikings.
We gotta get closer, dog. It's shaped like a Viking ship for good reason. We finally found Corey's bar. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. It's called the Gay 90s.
It's Happy Town.
We're Happy Town. It's like the Rainbow Club. Like in the Wolf of Wall Street, it's the Rainbow Club. You like to go to the Rainbow Club.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. There's good dancing there.
The infamous Gay 90s. Hey! Drag queens to the hilt.
Tubby, come here.
I am looking at it.
Part 2.
Go black man.
Go black man. Go black man. Go black man. Go black man. Go.
Big Cathedral of Minnesota.
All right, I've lived here 47 years and I've never seen the red cherry spoon here, which is like iconic of Minneapolis. So may I present you. Burger.
I do not know the cherry was wet.
It is. It's a water function. It's a water feature.
I never knew that.
No, now you know. There is.
You have
what?
you have wet cherry.
And then there's a blue cock over there. We'll see that in a little bit. We'll see it in just a little bit. A blue cock and a red cherry. I've heard of blue balls, but I've never heard of a blue cock.
Hold on.
Wait a minute, something ain't right. That is an awesome. Come on, Corey, let's do it. Get in here. Come on, Corey.
Get the note.
You don't love me, Corey?
Nope.
All right.
I do, you know I love you.
All right.
Dude, you trying to butter right now? Oh! Oh! First time I've ever seen you dancing.
You're doing the Carlton, mother.
Check this out.
So what you want?
What you want? Weed, son, it's weed.
Turn flanger on one time. Flanger.
This is the first turn. I got this. I got it.
Don't got it.
I got it.
Oh, you hit me, bitch.
Drop out the cords.
Jeez, man, he sucked.
I got it. Test one. Oh, hole in one. Oh, missy. Oh, still missy.
Chords drop out.
You only got one. Oh, he's off to the right. It's like that Peter North.
It used to be Prince's favorite restaurant. It used to be Rudolph's. That was right there. There's ribs. That used to be Rudolph's for some ribs. One beside, chase the cat. Corey and I were just commenting on, we used to have Calhoun Square in front of us with Famous Dave's, Chino Latino to the right, and he goes, God, the rents must have gone up. And I'm like, no, it was those peaceful protests back in 2020. That's what got rid of our favorite restaurants here.
What was it, the Red Snapper?
It wasn't the Red Snapper, it was a Chino Latino right here.
There's a restaurant down here, seafood restaurant. It's down there. Let's see if that was still there. Damn, they really changed that a lot.
I used to work downtown right after college, and I'd get off right here, and I lived off of 31st and Fremont. I used to live right down the street over there. That's where my apartment was. While this guy was still going to school at St. Cloud State. That's where I live.
I suck.
No, you don't suck. You just, you got like 10 degrees. It's true. I just told Corey people are dying to get into Lakewood.
Oh,
Look at these idiots.
I've never seen buses try to fight for a position.
No, it's Lake Calhoun, bitch.
There ain't no Lake Calhoun.
That's Lake Calhoun.
Is that Calhoun?
Well, they used to be Calhoun
it is
until they
Calhoun.
changed the name to Bama Scotty. Corey said this reminds him of California.
Some part.
But California doesn't have any lakes, Corey.
Hey, there's your
Is that a
car.
problem?
Damn, that thing looked like it takes up 2 cars. 2 car spots.
They don't have any lakes, Corey.
Oh, I see.